Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Made Simple, where we break down technology for everyday use. Today we're diving into understanding cloud storage, safely storing and accessing your files. We'll cover what cloud storage is, how to use it, and the benefits it offers for securely storing and accessing your files from anywhere. Plus, we'll look at some popular cloud storage options for Android and iPhone. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. What is cloud storage? Simply put, cloud storage is a way to save your files online instead of on your device. This means you can access your files from any device with an internet connection. Imagine a virtual locker where you can keep all your important documents, photos, and videos. That's cloud storage. It keeps your files safe and makes them accessible anytime, anywhere. Using cloud storage is easy. You start by creating an account with a cloud storage provider, uploading your files, and then accessing them from your computer, smartphone, or tablet. First up, Google Drive. It's a popular choice, especially for Android users. Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage and integrates well with other Google services like Gmail and Google Photos. Next, we have iCloud, which is great for iPhone users. iCloud offers 5 gigabytes of free storage and syncs seamlessly with Apple devices. Another popular option is Dropbox. It offers 2 gigabytes of free storage and is known for its simplicity and ease of use on both Android and iPhone. While cloud storage is convenient, there are a few things to be cautious about. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Be aware of the storage limits on free plans to avoid unexpected costs. And remember to regularly back up important files in case of any issues. The benefits of cloud storage are clear. You get secure backup for your files, easy access from anywhere, and the ability to share and collaborate with others. Plus, it frees up space on your device. And there you have it. Cloud storage is a fantastic way to keep your files safe and accessible. Whether you use Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox, each has its pros and cons. So choose the one that fits your needs best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Made Simple for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Happy storing!